Nanyara ku kamore. Nye achupuri tonoba. Wogere tobe. Apoti nami. Periga enesi.
Media, let me say this, that the NDC is a significant stakeholder in the democracy, peace, unity, and stability of this country. The NDC and our flag bearer, President John Dramani Mahama, will not compromise the democracy, the peace, the unity and stability of this country. But we will resist any attempt by the Electoral Commissioner in collaboration with government to steal the verdict of the people of this country. And we shall use every legitimate means at our disposal to ensure that the misconduct and deliberate error of the Electoral Commission is corrected to reflect the true will of the people of this country. The NDC is aware that it has won majority seats in Parliament. And the NDC is aware that by the verdict of the people of this country, the elections is either a Mahama win or a runoff.
Again, repeat. Audio.
The worst that the NDC would accept is a runoff of the 2020 elections, parliamentary and presidential elections. We want to assure you, all members of our party, that our leadership is awake and alive. We want to assure you that we are ready to sacrifice to ensure that the true verdict of the people of this country is upheld. We demand the immediate resignation of the Electoral Commissioner. And we will not accept and we will not tolerate any misconduct, any thievery of the Electoral Commission. The Electoral Commission has become a disgrace to the world. We will not accept a flawed declaration of results. Never in the history of our elections have we had final declaration changed 3-4 times. It has never happened. 6 times. No video, agronomy. NDC. leadership global.
Bullets do not discriminate. Police store le miago fiako. Ayi bien à Kondava, Koufa Robert, il y a un gars qui a 40%. Là, il y a un peu de canon. Aba Bouleto, on doit Robert, d'accord à Koufa Robert. Kaka, Mianyaba, Popito Doma, Amaso, Bou, d'accord à président Mahama. Ayazou, Tasousiata, Ayonia, d'accord, convoqué, comme tout. tilapia. Miapa kopito nosi. Miapa badaba nosi. Achigli nyemanya metope hono. Yata koya ofia. Yagata miaoda kana miada oda. Ayazu. Miefisi anya sohio misi. Akufo do mabuchio. President Mahama yebuchi. Revolution and Yahweh Kwebe. Nianto Gabano democracy ani. Nianto to institutions you okay I never to come and afani. Gakaba Akufa over to a boy. Akufa over to a boy. Over come on vima on tapa. Jamesa I can feel level pepper 3 times. Jamesa matter of 1 + 1 is equal to 2. Ayazu. Kawa godona ya sohe the shadow. Comedy Sakoya. Uda Ganya in Adago. Let me talk on your Hawaii. Let me talk on your Gadaki. I like a community of Kakakabata Sina justice and propaganda. Yes, Pomia or the National Pomia. I will never your fear quarter. Over the NDC, but stronghold is going on about Sa. Lolobi, Sandro Kofi, Akbafu, what the order of Papa Dwama. Woman, I'm in a house. What Potilika guy go to the Katotako. Yakoti and Mesa, Mutapa Maola, Guabalaba, and Mobo Pomo, Dakota parliamentary candidate. Yoba to pass a long monto, get better Boko ye. Oh, Gambam le Freeman. You talk for her feet. Yata Pado Labe, Achibuena, Atantila Chimagana, Dashicha, Ayazu, F. Boboya of Yaba forensic auditor of Madakukum Yasaga, Ayatanaba Yaba to work on Nicolomino, Agomega, Miapa Gobayi, Miapa Yono, having Yapa Haboya, what you know me, what was she gonna be Aplau, Miapa Sokuba Sukufi Mahama Bekaga, Miakatala Fia Mahama Babia in a country free. Let's get you look at Timlin in Africa.